Yo, what is going on, people? And today I'm going to show you how to make a custom map in Dayz from scratch. So the first thing you want to download is you want to download L3DT. Once you've installed it, it's an easy setup. All what you want to do is open it up, then you want to go File, New Project, Designable Map. Next, you want the map to be 10 by 24 by 10 by 24. Then you want to click Next. Then you want to click Next on the 64. Now this is what shows you what you want your land to be like. So personally, I want it to be mostly flat. I want the features to be a bit low. Strength, the shape. I want them to be a few cliffs. Erosion, I want them to be like a few layers. I'm going to click Next. What I want to tick is I want to download a height map, a terrain normal, a tributaries map, and then I'm gonna do a texture map as well, and then I'm gonna click Next. You're gonna untick light map, and then you're just gonna click OK. Now you're gonna wait for it to generate. Depending on how big your map is, it'll take the longest, or could take a short amount of time. So what you want to do once you've got all them is you just want to have a look. Just have a look at them all to see if you've got all the things that you want. Now if you are looking game, what you want to do is you want to go in your height field, you want to go view, and then you want to go and find edit in 3D. So what you want to do once you have made that, you want to go to your P drive and you want to make a new folder called whatever your map is. So I'm going to call it tutorial, not in caps, tutorial underscore map. Then I want to go in there inside that folder. I want to click and make a new folder called source, and then I want to make a new folder called data. Inside that data folder I want to make a new folder called roads. Right, so looking back on my video, I didn't actually edit some things in, I don't know why, but once you go in tutorial map data, and you want to make two folders called layers and roads. In roads you want to have 4 text folders, but they're not text. You want to have them roads.dbf, roads.prj, roads.shp, roads.shx. In that's what you need. In your layers, it will be empty for when you go to it. Then in tutorial, in your to have an L3D folder where you save your L3DT stuff in. So what you want to do is you want to go map frames, you want to click add a map frame. Right, once you've got that map frame, you want to click file, import terrain. You want to import your height map. There you go. Then you want to go back to that, you want to right click proper map frames. Then you want to, like I said, get your north in and stuff like that sorted. So you want to get your zeros. Map frame, you want it to be called tutorial underscore map. This you want it to go to your P drive. So this library P, and then you want it to select your map source. And when you go to samples, you want it to be 10 by 24. I'm going to cheat, like I say, go there, do that. That's 10 by 24. That there. I'm going to copy that. That needs to be 10 by 24. Then that needs to be 40. Then once you've done that, you want to go to processing. In your layers config, you want to go into your layers and double click it. Then you want to click rebuild terrain. Yes. Then once you've done that, that's click OK. Then once you get on that, you want to click refresh content from source. Double click on that. Click yes. Then once you've done that, you want to go file. Then once you've done that, you want to save your project. So go in tutorial map. Tutorial underscore map. We're going to save that. We're going to go file, import satellite images, and source satellite. We're going to import that. It's going to be smaller, but what you want to do is you want to go to terrain coordinates. You want to copy the same ones. The terrain coordinates. There we want to put 0, and we want to put 0 there. Then we want to click OK. Now that's done. Then you want to go File, Import, Satellite. Surface mask images, which is your mask. Then you want to click OK and then let that import. Then that should have imported. Then what you want to do, you want to go File, Import, Satellite, Normal Map. You want to double click your normal. You want to click OK. Then I think that is actually a little one. So obviously what you need to do is you need to go to your normal terrain coordinates. You want to add a 0 on the end of these so it's the same. You want to click OK. Then you want to just click save. Once it's saved, you want to right click properties. You want to go here, and what you want to do is you want to click export surface mask, export satellite for materials, and click generate layers. As you can see, it comes up with this error. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my actual lakeside one, and I'm going to take the map legend, sorry. So we're going to get the map legend, put it in tutorials, source, paste that in. Now if we do it, it should work. Generate layers, there we go. It's generating layers. You need the map legend because that shows all the colours, and that's what it looks for. So once we've done that, we'll go back and get it. Now once that's finished generating, you want to click OK and you want to click save. Then you want to close that down. I'm going to close my lakeside project. Then you want to open your Windows folders. You want to go P. You want to go to tutorial map. So what you want to do is in the data you want the layers folder, so you're going to go C or wherever your Steam Dayz tools are. You want to go in your Dayz tools bin, and then you want to go image to PAA. You want to double click the image to PAA GUI.exe. You click add source directory. You want to click your tutorial underscore map data layers. OK. Then once you've done that, you want to click process files and then click yes. As you can see, it's processing the files. This shouldn't take as long, and then once that's done, we'll carry on. Once that's done, you want to close them down. You want to reopen Terrain Builder, and then you want to go File, Open your TVP. So what you want to do is you want to click you want to go File, Export WRP. What you want to call this is up to you. Personally, I would use tutorial underscore map or whatever yours is called. So tutorial underscore map dot WRP. Save. Then what you want to do in Library Manager is you want to right click, create library. Now this is up to you, but first you want to click create new library from directory and include subdirectories. You can pick whatever color you want. I sort of like red. If you want to put it in that way, you can make it in Eclipse. You can make it have a night-long color. I normally have white. And then what you want to do is you want to just click all your Dayz folder, and you want to click OK. This may take some time to load. If you get an error like this, all what you want to do is just click OK. That doesn't mean anything. Then you just want to click save again, and then you want to click bulldozer and make sure that in your game is actually working. Hopefully it does. Once your bulldozer is loaded up, this is what it should look like. You can see it's all green because of my satellite image, what color this is, and when you zoom in you can see the grass. If you zoom out, I'm going to turn this off so I know where water. If you middle click, it will transfer you to that water. As you can see here, there's water. And then what you want to do is you want to Alt F4 from that. You want to tab out. You want to open up your P drive again. You want to go into your tutorial map. You want to go into, you want to config this time. So what I'm going to do yet again is I'm going to go in my lakeside source. I'm going to copy the config. I'm going to put it in this for you guys as well. So what you want to do is you want to click paste there. What you want to do is you want to open this up where it says Lakeside. Instead you want to put tutorial underscore map. You want to double click that. Where it says name, that's whatever you'll see in game. So whatever you see in game, that's what the name will be. So you want this to have capitals or whatever, you want to have spaces instead of underscores possibly. So you want to click that, you want to click that as well. This is whatever your WRP is called, so whatever your WRP is called, that's what this needs to be. Ours we're just called tutorial. The description, that's what the description of the map will be. So I'm just going to put tutorial. It's all in different caps, but it doesn't really matter. You get the idea. Now you want to scroll down to the bottom where it says Lakeside. You want that to be tutorial as well, and then that's all what you want for that. This bit here shows is what outside. So if you've got this area, there's no water on the outside, so this bit will carry on in game. This bit will carry on in game. This bit, that's what texture it displays. So if you don't like your texture, you can always change that. So once that's all done, basically now you basically have the map all set up. So you can just click plus on there. If you want to place that down, you will click that and place that down. So yeah guys, that is it. There will be other tutorials coming out. If you could please follow my Twitter, please join my Discord in the description. I really do appreciate the support I've been getting recently, and if you do have any questions or anything is a bit buggy from your side, please leave them in the comments below. See ya.